Hello everyone, this is Mamta Aman, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future video. Today we will solve self practice exercise question 2a of second chapter. Chapter name is fraction and decimal of class 7 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise 2a questions 11 to 18. Chapter name is fractions and decimals and topics are equivalent fractions, like and unlike fractions, proper and improper fraction, mixed fraction and comparison of fractions. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 11. Question number 11 is simplify the following expression and expressing your answer in simplest form. First bit is 17 divided by 24 plus 1 divided by 24. 17 divided by 24 and 1 divided by 24 are like fraction as both denominators are equal, that is 24. So when we adding two like fraction, just add the numerators and write down the denominator as usual. So here add the numerator, that is 17 and 1. 17 plus 1 is 18 and write down the denominator 24. So 17 plus 1 divided by 24 equal to 18 divided by 24. Now we have to express this fraction into simplest form. When we express the fraction in simplest form, first we have to find out the highest common factor, that is HCF of numerator and denominator. Then divide the numerator and denominator with that HCF, and the fraction that we get is the simplest form of that fraction. So here we get 17 divided by 24 plus 1 divided by 24 is 18 divided by 24, and we have to find the highest common factor of 18 and 24. First we have to find the prime factorization of 18 and 24. Prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3, and prime factorization of 24 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3. So here common factor between 18 and 24 is 2 multiplied with 3. So highest common factors of 18 and 24 is 2 and 3. So highest common factor of 18 and 24 is 2 multiplied with 3, that is 6. So highest common factor of 18 and 24 is 6. Now we have to divide the highest common factor with numerator and denominator of the fraction. So 18 divided by 24 equal to 18 division of 6 divided by 24 division of 6. 18 division of 6 is 3 and 24 division of 6 is 4. So we get 3 divided by 4, and 3 divided by 4 is the simplest form of this fraction, 18 divided by 24. So we get 17 divided by 24 plus 1 divided by 24 equal to 3 divided by 4, and 3 divided by 4 is the simplest form of this fraction. Now we will solve question number second bit. Question number second bit is 14 divided by 15 plus 11 divided by 15 plus 1 divided by 15. 1 divided by 15 is a mixed fraction. So first we have to find the mixed, we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 1 divided by 15 is multiply the denominator with whole plus numerator divided by denominator. So multiply the denominator 15 with whole, 15 multiplied with 1 is 15, and add 15 with the numerator, that is 1. So 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 divided by denominator is 15. So we get 1 divided by 15 equal to 16 divided by 15, and 16 divided by 15 is an improper fraction. Now we get 14 divided by 15 plus 11 divided by 15 plus 1 1 divided by 15 equal to 14 divided by 15 plus 11 divided by 15 plus 16 divided by 15. 16 divided by 15 is the improper fraction of the mixed fraction 1 divided by 15. Now 14 divided by 15, 11 divided by 15 and 16 divided by 15 are like fraction as denominators are equal, that is 15. So when we add the when we adding the like fraction, just add the numerator and write down the denominator as usual. So here add the numerators, that is 14, 11 and 16. 14 plus 11 plus 16 is 61, and write down the denominator 15. So we get 14 divided by 15 plus 11 divided by 15 plus 16 divided by 15 equal to 61 divided by 15. And 61 divided by 15 is an improper fraction. Now we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. We know mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by divisor. So here 61 is the dividend and 15 is the divisor. Now we divide divisor with the dividend, that is 15 divide with 61. Divide 15 with 61, we get 61 is 15 multiplied with 4 plus 1, where 15 is the divisor and 4 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. So we get 61 divided by 51 equal to quotient is 4, remainder is 1 and divisor is 15. So we get 4 1 divided by 15. Its quotient remainder divided by divisor is the mixed fraction of the improper fraction. So 4 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder and 15 is the divisor. Quotient, remainder divided by divisor. So we get 14 divided by 15 plus 11 divided by 15 plus 1 divided by 15 equal to 4 1 divided by 15. And 4 1 divided by 15 is the simplest form, that is the mixed fraction of this fraction. 4 1 divided by 15 is the simplest form of this fraction. Now we will solve question number 3rd with C. 5 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 6. Here both are like fraction as denominators are equal, that is 6. 5 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 6 equal to, when we subtract the like fraction, just subtract the numerator and write down the denominator as usual. So here subtract the denominator 5 and 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 6. 6 is the denominator. So we get 5 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 6 equal to 4 divided by 6. Now we have to express this fraction 4 divided by 6 into simplest form. We have to express this fraction in simplest form. So when we express this fraction in simplest form, first find out the highest common factor, that is the HCF of the numerator and denominator, and then divide the numerator and denominator with that highest common factor, and the fraction that we get after dividing the highest common factor with numerator and denominator of that fraction, the fraction that we get is called the simplest form of that fraction. So here we have to find the highest common factor of 4 and 6. We know prime factorization of 4 is 2 multiplied with 2, and prime factorization of 6 is 2 multiplied with 3. So between 4 and 6 common factor is 2. So highest common factor of 4 and 6 is 2. Now we divide highest common factor 2 with both numerator and denominator. So we get 4 divided by 6 equal to 4 divided by 2 divided by 6 division of 2. 4 division of 2 is 2 and 6 division of 2 is 3. So we get 4 divided by 6 equal to 2 divided by 3. And 2 divided by 3 is the simplest form of this fraction 4 divided by 6. So we get 5 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 6 equal to 2 divided by 3, and 2 divided by 3 is the simplest form. Now we will solve question number 4th bit D. 12 6 divided by 7 minus 9 1 divided by 7. We know 12 6 divided by 7 is multiply. When we express the mixed fraction into improper fraction, just multiply the denominator with whole and add the denominator with whole with the numerator divided by denominator. So here 12 6 divided by 7 is multiply 7 denominator 7 with whole, that is 12. 12 multiplied with 7 is 84. 84 add 84 with the numerator, that is 6. 84 plus 6 is 90 and denominator is 7. 90 divided by 7. So we get 12 6 divided by 17 is the mixed fraction, and we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator with whole plus numerator divided by denominator. So we get 12 6 divided by 7 equal to 90 divided by 7. 90 divided by 7 is the improper fraction. And now convert 9 1 divided by 7 into improper fraction. 9 1 divided by 7 equal to multiply the denominator with whole. 7 multiply with 9 plus numerator 1. 7 multiply with 9 is 63. 63 plus 1 is 64. 64 divided by 7. And 64 divided by 7 is the improper fraction. So we get 12 6 divided by 7 minus 9 1 divided by 7 equal to 90 divided by 7. 90 divided by 7 is the improper fraction of the mixed fraction. 12 6 divided by 7 and 64 divided by 7. 64 divided by 7 is the improper fraction of the mixed fraction 9 1 divided by 7. So we get 90 divided by 7 minus 64 divided by 7. 90 divided by 7 and 64 divided by 7 is the like fraction. So when you subtract the like fraction, just subtract the numerator, that is 90 minus 64, and divided by the denominator as usual. 90 minus 64 divided by 7. 90 minus 64 is 26. 26 divided by 7. And 26 divided by 7 is the improper fraction. Now we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Just divide the divisor 7 with the dividend 26. 26 divided by 7 is, we know 26 is 7 multiplied with 3 plus 5. 7 is the divisor, 3 is the quotient, and 5 is the remainder. So we get 26 divided by 7 equal to, when we express the improper fraction into mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by divisor. Quotient is 3, remainder is 5, and divisor is 7. So we get 26 divided by 7 equal to 3 5 divided by 7. So we get 12 6 divided by 7 minus 9 1 divided by 7 equal to 3 5 divided by 7. This is the one way, and we have to find the subtraction of this mixed fraction in another way also, that is 12 6 divided by 7 minus 9 1 divided by 7. Just first subtract this whole number, that is 12 minus 7. 12 minus 9. Subtract this whole number separately, that is 12 minus 9, and subtract this proper fraction separately, that is 6 divided by 7 and 1 divided by 7. So 12 6 divided by 7 is 12 plus 6 divided by 7, and 9 1 divided by 7 is 9 plus 1 divided by 7. So we get 12 plus 6 divided by 7 minus 9 plus 1 divided by 7. So 12 minus 9 is the subtraction of whole number, plus, now subtract subtraction of this proper fraction. So it's 6 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by 7. 12 minus 9 is 3 and 6 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by 7. This is the like fraction. So subtract the numerator divided by the denominator as usual. 6 minus 1 is 5 and denominators is equal. So write down the denominator 7. So we get 3 plus 5 divided by 7. 3 plus 5 divided by 7 is 3. 5 divided by 7. So we get 12. 6 divided by 7 minus 9. 1 divided by 7 is 3 divided by 3. 5 divided by 7. In both case, we get 3. 5 divided by 7. Second case is the easier way. So just here subtract the whole number separately and subtract the proper fraction separately. Then write down the mixed fraction. Now we'll solve question number 5th E. 18 12 divided by 19 plus 23 18 divided by 19 minus 15 14 divided by 19. All are mixed fraction. We know 18 12 divided by 19 plus 23 18 divided by 19 minus 15 14 divided by 19. 18 12 divided by 19 is 18 plus 12 divided by 19. 23 18 divided by 19 is 23 plus 18 divided by 19, and 15 14 divided by 19 is 15 plus 14 divided by 19. Now we add the whole number separately and add the proper fraction separately. So here 18 plus 23 minus 15. This is the whole number, and 12 divided by 19 plus 18 divided by 19 minus 14 divided by 19. This is the proper fraction. So 18 plus 23 minus 15 is 26. 18 plus 23 is 41. 41 minus 15 is 26. And 12 divided by 19 plus 18 divided by 19 minus 14 divided by 19 is, these are the like fraction. When we add these like fraction, just add the numerator and write down the denominator as usual. So here 12 plus 18 minus 14 divided by 19. 12 plus 18 is 30. 30 minus 14 is 16. 16 divided by denominator is 19. So we get 26. 16 divided by 19. So we get 18 12 divided by 19 plus 23 18 divided by 19 minus 15 14 divided by 19 equal to 26 16 divided by 19. And 26 16 divided by 19 is the mixed fraction, and this is the simplest form of this fraction. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.